Groesau y Cadeirlannau Bangor. Welcome to Bangor Cathedral. Then the king will say to those at his right hand, "Come, you that are blessed by my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. For I was hungry, and you gave me food. I was thirsty, and you gave me something to drink. I was a stranger, and you welcomed me. I was naked, and you gave me clothing. I was sick, and you took care of me. I was in prison, and you visited me." Then the righteous will answer him, "Lord, when was it that we saw you hungry and gave you food, or thirsty and gave you something to drink? And when was it that we saw you a stranger and welcomed you, or naked and gave you clothing? And when was it that we saw you sick or in prison and visited you?" And the king will answer them, "Truly I tell you, just as you did it to one of the least of these who are members of my family, you did it to me." What's your favourite topping for your pancakes? Chocolate spread? Golden syrup? Lemon juice? However you like them, Pancake Day is the warm-up act for Lent. Falling on Shrove Tuesday, the day before Lent begins, the origin of these crepes was to use up the fat and treats before a period of fasting began, lasting 40 days. Being shriven, from which the word shrove comes, is to engage in self-examination, to ask, how am I doing in living a Christian life, one marked by following Jesus? Confession of sins is still part of this practice for many today, and on Ash Wednesday, the sign of the cross is marked on the forehead, using ash produced by burning last year's palm crosses, to remind us, as the priest says, to remember you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Turn away from sin, and be faithful to Christ. Mae lle amlwg I fwyd yn y bywyd Cristnogol. Mae'n amlwg bod ei angen arno mi oroesi, ac mae llawer o eglwysi yn darparu bwyd I rai mewn angen, fel y grŵp Mamau a Babanod yn Eglwys Gadeiriol Bangor. Mae bwyd hefyd yn gyfrwng wrth I ni ymgynnull gyda ffrindiau neu ddieithriaid weithiau, I rannu newyddion ac I ddod i'n adnabod ein gilydd yn well, boed yn baned a chacen neu yn bryd o fwyd. O fore coffi anffurfiol I glybiau cinio, mae bwyd yn dod â ni at ein gilydd. Does fawr o syndod bod y weithred o rannu bara a gwin wedi ei defnyddio gan Iesu fel ffordd I ni ei gofio, yn fodd I'n meithi ar gyfer taith bywyd. Pa bynnag enw dych chi'n ei defnyddio ar gyfer y gwasanaeth hwn, y cymyn bendigaid, swper yr arglwydd, yr offeren, dyma'r adeg I gofio gyrchymyn Iesu, I gymryd y bara a rhannu'r gwin wrth I ni gofio ef, a chofio'r hyn ydoedd a'r hyn ydyw I ni. Mae angen bwyd ar y corff a'r enaid, gan fyw gorchmynion Iesu a rhannu gwledd ei gariad yn y bara a'r gwin.
Hi, my name's Andy. I'm the Associate Priest here at Brydaniol Ministry area, so that's Bangor Cathedral and the church down the road in the estate of Maesgyrchan, Eglwys y Groes. Our session that we've been doing is something called Come I Back. Well, what we do is we open every Tuesday morning and we have families and kids, especially young kids, it's aimed at primarily really young kids, babies through to very young toddlers, come into the cathedral with their parents and they enjoy some good old-fashioned hospitality. We have all the toys out, we have the mats out, we have books, we have craft activities, and we welcome them in for some time of play, some time of relaxation. And we also work really closely with the health visiting team from the local NHS, who will also be in helping doing the baby checks, doing the weights, talking to the mums and offering sort of advice. So it's a really friendly space where parents can come for just a little bit of respite, a little bit of relaxation, whilst the children have an opportunity to play and explore, and also while they can get some of that brilliant hands-on expertise from the health visiting team. But it's also important spiritually for us to be people of hospitality, people who share the goodness we have through God and people who welcome others in. Obviously, the Bible has loads on hospitality. Jesus shows us the model of hospitality. We hope that they feed spiritually as well on just the peace that places like churches and cathedrals have to offer. We have to remember that play, hospitality, food, laughter, fun, family, community, it all comes together at the foot of the cross. And that's what we try and encapsulate through Come I Back. Hospitality, play, fun, and something to eat.
So can you tell me a bit more about how the parent-toddler group has been good for building community and that foundation of care?
Yes, well, I actually find the group itself a sanctuary for myself and my family. We've been coming here for a very long time now. We like the fact that you have health visitors. They come in every week. They help you with any issues you need with your children. And I find this is a safe place for my family too. My children love coming. They've been growing with their friends, the community, people. It's lovely to have.
Brilliant. And what do you like best about being here at Bangor Cathedral?
Oh, I love everything. So we like coming to church on Sundays. We like coming back mostly. So every week it's a routine for my family to come in and to see their friends and have structure. So it's really nice.